Ransomware. Ransomware encrypts files or locks down a system, preventing users from accessing their data until a ransom is paid. It has become a significant threat, with high-profile attacks affecting individuals, businesses, and even critical infrastructure. Here are key characteristics of ransomware. File encryption. Ransomware encrypts files on the infected system, making them inaccessible to the user. It uses strong encryption algorithms that can render files and data unreadable without the decryption key, which is held by the attackers. Ransom demand. After encrypting the files, ransomware displays a message or a ransom threat, informing the victim that their files have been encrypted and a ransom must be paid to obtain the decryption key, otherwise the data will be deleted. Delivery methods. Ransomware can be delivered through various means, including malicious email attachments or links, compromised websites, or exploiting software vulnerabilities. Attackers may also use social engineering tactics, such as phishing emails or deceptive advertisements, to trick users into downloading or executing the ransomware. Payload. Ransomware attacks can have severe consequences. They can lead to the loss of valuable data, disrupt business operations, cause financial losses, and damage an organization's reputation. In some cases, critical infrastructure or healthcare systems can be affected, posing risks to public safety. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and check the cybersecurity playlists for more.